guys, it's me, Spectacular Hannah. So I'm going to show you how to make a Monster High doll. That's a pink kitty cat and a green witch. So what we have here is a green body and a pink body. A dress for the pink or the green, and these. 2 pink legs, 2 green legs, 2 green of these things. I don't know what's green yet. And these. 2 arms for the pink. Right there. Same thing. Well, and we got arms, hands, and here's the middle part of the arm. And we got 1 piece for hair for the thing. So let's get started. Oh, and there's a belt. So you can start with your green one or the pink one. I'm going to start with the green one. So you take your green body, get your head. You might have to see this hole right here and this stuff right here. You have to connect that together. And you have to make it as tight as possible. There we go. Now get those legs. And make sure your white one has to be like this. But first we got to put on these. Put them right here on the very bottom of the body. And then you put your legs. Make sure your big toe goes inside the area. Like all real toes. There we go. Now for the arms. And when you want to put it apart, it's really hard to put it apart. So just attach the arms and hands if you want to take them off. That's how you do it. And put it like this. Then you have to bend it to the line. Don't bend it over here, so then it will break. So just bend it over here. Put it on the other side of the hole. There we go. And I'm going to get this bad boy. And I'll just put it right here. I'm just going to make it go like this and the inside. It's kind of hard to put it on, but there we go. And this. Bend over here so you know which way to go. You don't have to do just like me. You can just switch them around. But I want it to match. Just like this. And so I'm going to put the shirt on. Don't put the hands on yet. Because if you put the hands on first on this shirt, then it will just stuck. So what you're going to do is get your shirt. Put it like this. Get your doll. Make your hands like this, like a zombie. And put this right here in the arms. Make sure you don't get it backwards. If you do, well, I'm not sure what you do, but don't make it backwards. Okay. Go. Okay. And then when you're done with that, there's like the zippy thingy on the back. Just attach that. And another one and attach that one. There. And now you can put on the hands. the hands. So yeah. There. Last but not least, the skirt. Just slide that into the legs. And make sure, don't try to rip it. It doesn't have a zippy thing, so just put it on the legs. You don't have to do the same exact as me, but you can do it different ways. And I want to put the hair on the pink girl. So I'm going to say that pink. And you do the same thing for the pink, but I'm going to show you how to do it with a dress. It's going to be different with the dress. So here we go. Body. Attach it. You can do this different order. I'm just showing you how to do it for the first time. And make sure it has this. Make sure I have this on the very side right here, like this. So you don't get mixed up with the feet. Oops. Okay, there we go. Okay, we are almost to the different part of the dress. Okay. And the same thing to this arm of the feet. Okay. Put the head back on. And you have a choice. You can put on your dress first or your hands first. I got a great protection. So you can do your hands, but I'm going to do my hands first. You don't have to do the same exactly. You can do the same one as the green. I'm going to just put the hands on first. There we go. Imagine a little pink cat. Okay, and then you can put your dress on. It's kind of hard to put the dress on. Okay, so there you have it. Cat in a dress. Okay, so here. And your belt. See, there's like a little hole right here. You can't really see it in just a little time. Just put it around. Make sure it has to do upside up. Okay. And what should we do with the hair? You can put on the green or the pink. I'm going to do the pink. Okay. just brush it. So see you guys later. Make sure have comments on below.